If you are a freelancer and you are stuck, you have to watch this because you will feel seen after this video. I'm gonna walk you through each one of them one by one and we will see how I solved their problem. So this is definitely for you. First, as you can see, a lot of stuff is going on here. She was confused about everything. Positioning, pricing, content ideas, clients, and most specifically, she had trust issues. Why would they pay me? Am I charging too low? Am I charging too high? Who will pay me? And all that confused stuff. We fix that up. Because in my one-on consultations, I work on shifting their mindset from a rookie freelancer to somebody who owns their shit. By the end of the call, she was smiling, she was happy, she was excited, and that's what my one-on consultations are about because that's how you train people. Like most of the freelancers I met on my one-on consultations, she was comparatively in a better state. She had a good job in a very good marketing firm and she was making a good amount of money. The main problem she had was that she became a mother and she wanted to spend that quality time with her baby instead of working 9 to 5 in a firm. She needed to work on her positioning and to find a solution so that she can switch from her corporate to freelance. You can see she's on it and I'm looking forward to our next. Okay, so she had so many courses done and she was confused. So many skills were just jumbled up and she had no clarity on where to start, where to get her first yes from a client. So in that hour, we sat and we discussed her priorities, her main core skills, core strength, positioning, and a roadmap to identify her ICPs. Basically, untangled her confusions and sorted it out. Okay, so the next one is basically one of my OG students and she had taken my one-on-one calls when I just launched them. And she basically came back to learn some lead generation, sales navigator, and outreach bar. Unluckily, I do not have a feedback. I tried following up on that, but I guess this screenshot is a further day feedback. So yes, I gave her not 1 but 2 hours because special treatment for my loyal students, Mr. CEO. Yeah. So he had some marketing company pages, and he wanted me to run his social media pages. Actually thought he was gonna be one of my serious client because he had multiple company pages and we had some high ticket deal. Still, I could not close the deal because somehow there is a mistake, somehow there is a loop that I could fix. So yes. If you are a freelancer and you think it's only you that you are not closing clients, it's not you. It's basically the part of process. Not every deal is to be closed. Not every client is going to say yes. So just let it be. Basically, she was on a gap and she was out of that freelance area. And when she came back, she realized that she's now lacking so many skills. We worked on her positioning, clarity, pricing, offer, because without an offer, no matter how talented you are, if you have no offer, if you have no USP, if you have no value to provide your clients, it doesn't matter. You are always going to have problem in landing high ticket clients. This is so fun because I was just too embarrassed to get her on my consultations because of my pets, my parrot and my cat. And I was actually thinking to refund her the amount, but she was too comfortable, kind enough to wait and schedule the consultations again and again. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there is a story on my feed on what happened during her consultation. And it was too embarrassing, but I still posted it. Problem was in her creating process, content creation, research, comprehension, adding authenticity, originality, and competitors stuff. It was basically a whole training on content creation. That's all about it, and I hope you guys are having a very nice freelance experience after your one-on-one consultations. As usual, you guys can bang on my DMs anytime. If you have watched this video this far and you need some assistance in your social media performance or to make some irresistible offers or everything related to social media, you have an Aladdin lamp right here. Tap this link, save your seat, and I will see you